Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your identity with Experian, beginner guide step by step clearly. To protect your identity with Experian, begin by visiting the Experian website. Create a free account by providing your email address and a secure password. Next, verify your identity by entering your personal information, such as your name, address, and social security number. Once your identity is verified, log in to your Experian account. Navigate to the Identity Protection section of the website. Choose the level of protection that suits your needs, whether basic or premium. Look for features such as credit monitoring and identity theft protection. Activate credit monitoring to receive alerts about any changes to your credit report. Set up identity theft protection to get help in case your information is compromised. Regularly check your credit report for any unauthorized activity or inaccuracies. Utilize the credit score tracking feature to stay informed about changes in your credit score. Make sure to update your personal information if you move or change your name. Enable two-factor authentication for added security on your account. Consider placing a fraud alert on your credit report for additional protection. Review the educational resources available on the Experian site to understand identity theft better. Stay proactive by regularly monitoring your financial accounts and report any suspicious activity immediately. By following these steps, you can enhance your identity protection with Experian and safeguard your personal information. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.